we're back. We're working on Glenn's with 2 ends car today. Again, you'll see some blue tape on the car, but you'll see that in our other video of why paint protection film. This one, we're doing tinted paint protection film headlights. You can see them in the back on our peel board. I want to talk about the peel board. You see some videos where guys are back rolling films onto the car. I can tell you the easiest way to do this is with a peel board. Go down to your local hardware store, Home Depot, look for a sheet of Coroplast. Costs you about 20 bucks, 4x8 sheet. It's gonna make your life way easier when you're trying to install this film. So you can see here we've cut out a tinted headlight, and it is a paint protection film. So we're going to go ahead and install that. So these tinted headlights are going to be available in 3 different shades. You can find them on our website at renison.com. They won't be on paintprotection.store, but you can reach out to contact us. We're just going to go ahead and show you. Again, it's a similar installation or same installation as a regular paint protection film. Just wanted to show you guys that we do have these available for you. The other thing is that with the tinted headlights, if you guys are ordering kits, we're actually going to throw you an installation squeegee on top. Okay, so your kit will come with the tinted headlights in 3 different shades, so you can choose light, medium, or dark. And then from there, it will come with an installation squeegee. You just watch our video. This is a very easy install, so it'll go pretty quick here. So just stand by, watch what happens. I'll give you your tack points and stuff again. Watch our other headlight video. It's a little bit more described. I'm just going to run through the install and just show you what they look like when they're on the car. So I've already cleaned the headlight of the car. I'm ready to basically install this. So I'm just going to go ahead, hose down my headlight, grab my piece of film, install it for you, and just to show you what it'll look like when tinted headlight paint protection film is installed on the car. So I'm going to grab my soap solution. I'm going to use my pump solution. You'll notice that I do have my green, okay, identifying as go for my slip, okay. And you'll see my red is my alcohol solution, and that's for tack or stop. So green for go, red for tack. But for my rinse down, I'll use my pump sprayer just because it's easier. I don't have to trigger so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse down from the top of this light. Again, the reason you see on the tape in there is all this tape on the rest of the car is we're doing some paint correction for the chips that were in the car. So again, just going to rinse from the top to the bottom of the light. Okay, very important, rinse your hand before you touch the film. Identify which piece that you're going for. So this being your passenger, this one being your driver. Again, kind of check those. You'll notice that I'm actually going to be pulling the film off the front. A little bit different from the way that we do. So smaller pieces, you can do it this way. Just pull them off the front as opposed to pulling the liner off. Again, wet your hand, wash down your piece. We don't want any dust in that piece that we don't need, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna grab the top, just use your fingernail slowly, and then again, we're just gonna use the soapy solution, pull that off, okay? And we're gonna go ahead, lay that on the headlight. All right, just get it into somewhat position. And we're gonna go ahead and just tack our front corner as you've seen in our other video. So we just get this aligned, and we're checking top and bottom for alignment, but also the corner. Okay, and spray my tack solution in there. And just tack this corner down nice and gentle, and then follow through with a harder stroke. Slipping a bit. More tack there. Okay. So we got that front corner down. We'll just start squeegeeing out this smaller section of the front corner of the headlight here. Okay. Want to make sure she's still moving a bit, but we also want to make sure that this is not moving so that when we apply our stretch, it doesn't pull the film this way. You can just check it by trying to inject the front corner with some more alcohol solution or your tack solution. Once that's done, we can go ahead and pull this over. I like to pull my corner over on this one, right? So I'm going to pull this way and line up this lower corner. You see these fingers here? We want to kind of eliminate those. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wash this corner out with my tack solution. you can just give that a little rub just to get that so that it's gonna stay. I'm gonna go ahead and reach up here. I'm not gonna touch where the alcohol was injected there, but I'm just gonna touch up here. I'm just gonna give it a pull over. I'm gonna sweep all the way across, okay, and get that set down. Now I'm gonna come along where I didn't have any alcohol solution here at the bottom and just inject that. Another one sweep, okay, which is gonna lock down our front, all right? So now our next stretch is gonna be the top portion. You can see all the fingers here, top and bottom, okay? We're gonna start coming up where there isn't any fingers, and then we're gonna go ahead and tack that top again. So I'm gonna grab my tack solution. I'm going to fold this corner over, spray the film, spray the corner of the headlight, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give this a pull up. And tack the top. Okay, so once I've got it there, I'm just gonna tack this. All right, I'll just hold my thumb on there. The heat from your hand will actually kind of start setting the adhesive. All right, so now it's in position. You see now there are no fingers here, so it's an easy install from here. You can move the film up or down, align it top and bottom, and just sweep through, okay? Again, don't sweep into your tacked position. So sweep out of your tacked position, up and down. Okay, and then finish off the top portion of your headlight. All right, so that's got that set into place. I'm just gonna check, make sure I didn't leave any water behind by wiping down the surface of the film. Okay, just checking, make sure I don't have any specks or anything in there. Everything is looking good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move right onto the fog light, and I'm gonna come back and just set the edge with the heat gun just to make sure everything's set in place. Again, no fingers, very easy install, very quick. I'm gonna go ahead and set down this fog light here. So again, let's give it a quick rinse, right? Check it, make sure there's nothing on the surface. We've already clay barred this, so we know we're good. Okay, I'm just gonna go and grab my piece from the wall. Make sure that you've got the right one. You don't wanna grab the wrong one. So I got my piece here. Again, make sure your hands are wet. Go ahead and lay it out. Soak down the outside so you got some slip. I'm gonna go ahead and tack the corner. So start off light sweep and then go into a heavier sweep through your stroke. Okay. Come to the back, just make sure I set this where I want it. Fits really good, so you don't really have to do a lot of moving or pulling on the fog light. Again, I always start on the fog lights as a beginner because it's an easier install. There's no stretching involved in this. Okay, there you go. Fog light's done. I'm just going to wipe it down, make sure that I've got nothing left behind. And then I'll just follow that up with a heat around the edge, just setting the edge into place. And that's it. Tinted headlights 101. We're done. So again, follow us, subscribe to our channel, like, comment. If you have any questions, feel free. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. And we'll see you on the next one. All right, thanks for watching this video. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please click on the link below at our website at www.renison.com. Please like and share and follow us